What is a mainnet in crypto? Mainnets are essential because they provide a clear value of a cryptocurrency in a real-world implementation. But what are mainnets and how do they work? Well, to find out, keep watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Animations, the channel where we explain to our viewers about the different types of cryptocurrencies and everything new investors should know. In today's video, we will talk about mainnet in crypto and all the details about it. So be sure to be attentive because you clearly don't want to miss out on today's video. Also, if you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads. Now with the intro out of the way, let's get into our topic for today. Every blockchain project needs to run on a blockchain network to carry out the project's functionality and transfer its own digital currency. However, building a working blockchain network, also known as the mainnet, takes time for a new project. In order to test and demonstrate the capabilities of a blockchain project to investors and users in a safe environment, it has become a common practice for project teams to run a prototype on the testnet first. As the name suggests, a testnet is a sandbox environment for developers to experiment and test run the functionality of a project claimed in the white paper. Developers can carry out all kinds of tests in a secure, separate network without risking breaking the main blockchain. A testnet only exists as a working prototype for a blockchain project, while a mainnet is a wholly developed blockchain platform for users to send and receive cryptocurrency transactions. Before the mainnet of a blockchain project is launched, the team will set up an initial coin offering, an initial exchange offering, or any other means to help the project raise funds and grow their community. Typically, the collected funds are then used to develop the blockchain network prototypes, which are then tested during the testnet phase. After performing bug fixes and depending on the performance of the testnet, the team will then launch the mainnet version of the blockchain, which is fully functional and deployed. A mainnet in cryptocurrency provides an easy way of gauging a blockchain's project success when prices are difficult to predict. It is an important technology feature that anyone looking to invest in an initial coin offering should have a clear idea before putting any money to use. A mainnet is basically used to define when a blockchain protocol is fully developed and deployed, meaning that cryptocurrency transactions are broadcasted, verified, and recorded on a distributed ledger technology blockchain. Mainnet is simply the leading network, whereby actual transactions take place on a distributed ledger. In contrast, a testnet is a test network whereby decentralized applications and EDCCs get tested and developed. Before investing in an initial coin offering, it is also very important for a crypto investor to ensure a blockchain project has a mainnet. And how an investor can look for the sign of a mainnet or a testnet is how serious a project is, as the two features affect the price of a cryptocurrency in one way or another. Mainnet in cryptocurrencies is the final product in blockchain projects that make it possible to send and receive digital currencies. Mainnets do change from time to time whenever project teams decide there is a need for updates or revision. What's more is that crypto-based mainnet launches will have to include a wallet system. Open-source blockchain protocols like Ethereum and Bitcoin are designed to verify and execute genuine transactions with actual economic value publicly. Transactions that occur on the mainnet utilize the network's native cryptocurrency and are recorded on its distributed ledger. On proof-of-work blockchain networks, miners validate these transactions and receive block rewards for their efforts. On proof-of-stake blockchain mainnets, stakers are chosen to validate transactions based on their network stake and collect the transaction fees paid by users. Blockchain testnets and devnets respectively provide alternate environments that mimic the function of the mainnet to allow developers the opportunity to build and experiment with projects without the higher stakes of live cryptocurrencies, miners, and transactions. Unlike the coins in testnet and devnets environments, the tokens in use on mainnets are real and can be exchanged for other digital assets or local currency. So what is a devnet? Similar to the testnet, the development network or devnet operates independently of the mainnet. Although not every blockchain protocol utilizes both a devnet and a testnet, some differentiate these environments based on their intended use. As is the case with most testnet environments, devnet cryptocurrency generally has no real value, and devnet transactions require less computational effort than their mainnet equivalents. For devnet blockchains, users can also mine cryptocurrency or access faucet services to obtain coins. In 2017, many blockchain startups decided to perform ICO crowdfunding events. To do so, most of them chose to issue their ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum network. These tokens were then distributed to investors' wallets according to their contribution during the ICO phase. After the ICO crowdfunding is complete and the blockchain is fully deployed, the team may release their mainnet, which will have their own native coin rather than the previously issued ERC20 token. At this point, a process known as Mainnet Swap takes place, where the ERC20 tokens are swapped for the coins of the new blockchain. After the Mainnet Swap is completed, remaining tokens are usually destroyed so that only the new coins can be used. And despite the popularity of Ethereum and the ERC20 standard, many other blockchain platforms support the issuance of digital currencies. Although blockchain protocols utilize and refer to different environments or stages, the mainnet, testnet, and devnet descriptors effectively capture the primary development stages of most protocols. Although the testnet and devnet are sometimes synonymous, slight variations in their intended applications can make them unique. Regardless, the blockchain mainnet is always the active, publicly available version of the broader network. Whether building decentralized applications, testing smart contracts, acting as a validator, or issuing new tokens, devnet and testnet networks provide significant value to the blockchain mainnets they serve. How can a mainnet in cryptocurrencies affect prices of tokens? Continuous upgrades and revision of the mainnet function are a must if a cryptocurrency project enjoys wide success in terms of rising prices. Bitcoin is one project that has enjoyed immense success in the sector, in part because of mainnet upgrades. The mainnet upgrade helped push the cryptocurrency's price from below the $7,000 mark to highs of $9,500 in the following weeks, after initially plummeting from highs of $10,600. In March, the largest cryptocurrency by market cap launched Lightning Network, a mainnet in cryptocurrency feature that added a second layer on the blockchain. The off-chain solution was a significant update intended to make BTC more scalable, thus allowing the blockchain to handle more transactions per second. And what's more, crypto-based mainnet launches will have to include a wallet system to help the trading process. How important is the mainnet when considering investing in a project? Mainnet launch is one of the many factors affecting the value of a digital asset. The launch of mainnet may increase the value of an asset as it means the project team has successfully delivered the key promise stated in their white paper and is realizing their development roadmap. So should crypto investors and traders invest in the projects without mainnets? There is not a definite no to this question. It is not unusual to see some successful projects start without a mainnet. However, before investing in a new project, you have to make sure the project can build a mainnet and deliver all the promises made in their white paper. A mainnet in cryptocurrency provides a reliable and effective way of gauging the success of any emerging blockchain project. Such features act as proof that a blockchain project is being implemented and that the developer's team is working on making it efficient and better. Mainnet also does affect the prices of cryptocurrencies, both in the short term and long term. Well guys, that's all we have for you today. What are your thoughts on mainnet in cryptocurrencies? Do you think they play a major role in cryptocurrencies? Let us know in the comment section down below. If you guys like this video, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any new future videos, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under this video so that you're notified the next time we upload a video on the latest cryptocurrency news. Thanks for watching. We hope you have a great day today, and as always, we'll see you in the next video.